This 2019 Jayco Melbourne Prestige 24LP is a Class C RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 25 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, refrigerator, leveling jacks, smoke detector, external shower, TV antenna, slide-out, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, self-contained, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2019 Jayco Melbourne Prestige 24LP is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.